1996 Chevy Caprice LS. We have rear cylinder leaking, so everything's all soaked with brake fluid. So we're gonna redo the brakes, we'll clean this all up and change that wheel cylinder. So we're just warming up with these brakes. All those work. It's really one that I really want to use. Yeah, you're right. It's what? Okay, 7/16 is the brake line. So we're gonna get brake fluid, but that's how it goes. Did I dropped something, hey?
Yes, you did.
Yeah, must have been a screw.
Not embarrassing.
Huh?
I'm not saying
Yeah, it was a screw. It's okay. No worries. So I'm gonna leave this open so that this can gravity bleed, and it'll help us get closer to when we need to bleed the brakes for good. So I'm gonna go to the other side. We'll just let that do its thing. Okay, now we're gonna build some brakes. So we have two different size pads. And this is like 10 and this is like 7.5. So this one goes to the back. This guy goes like this. So we'll be like this. And we'll just get some things going here. This will go in there. Then this guy will go like that. Okay. Put our pin through. Okay. There we go. That one I actually just did with my hand. So that kind of gets our brake to hang up there. Not exactly perfect, but it's up there. This guy goes on here. Be like that. And that guy will go like that to kind of keep everything on there. Now this guy will go, I think he went there, up there. This guy goes on the brake, or that's the adjuster, and then here, and he goes on there, like so. And we'll wait with this spring, because then this spring's gonna go in here, and then go to there. So we'll wait. Now we'll get the other shoe. Spring and just kind of bring him up there. We got to make sure we got this guy right. There we go. Oh, but we got to put this in there. This is your piston for your plunger. So I just got to do a little bit of backwards work here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's move him. It's got notches that fit in there. Okay. Okay, that's good. This guy's got to stay there. That's good. This guy's gonna rest right there. Now we just put this on there. Like so. This goes on the adjuster and then over the top. There we go. That's one. Now we can put the other shoe on. That guy. Alright, so we're gonna put him up there. So that'll kind of hold them in place, keep everybody kind of happy, I think. Okay. Okay, there. Let me take this fella, gonna wind him in, and he's gonna go in here, like so, and that spring will go up there. Believe it goes this way. Let's check that to make sure it stays out of the way of that adjuster wheel. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Look at him. Go like, okay, here and here. Okay. Oh, that was almost my fingers. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, just need to get that guy, and then we just gotta bring these back here. Whoops. We lost that. Okay. There we go. This guy's gotta be over there. There we go. Okay. That's right. That's right. That's right. Good there. We've got good spring down here, and then that guy's gonna get pulled up there. Just a minute, he came off of here. Get you right in the heart of the action. So this is gonna hook onto there. Do all that at once. There. Then it comes up. And it hooks up there. There we go. So this little guy, this little cone spring, goes right down here. Okay. So you go in like this. And then you just kind of smush them in there. Okay. There we go. Okay, perfect. So you see how he lays in there. Puts upward pressure on this guy, which is your adjuster. Okay, so that spring's in. If we look under there, you can see the spring clears the wheel. It's in the way it's bent. Okay, we got some springs to put in. First off, we'll put this spring in. This spring goes here, and then it attaches here. So it goes in here, like that, and then we pull them. See how hard it'll be to pull. Let's see if we can do it with those. Let's use my spring tool. Okay. Okay, perfect. That's one spring. Now we'll get number 2 spring, which goes here. We gotta make sure that this is up. Brake shoes are up there, okay. Then we're gonna use this spring to go on over here, and we need to put them right on there. So then we take our tool and we go. Oh no, that's. We got to make sure we get this guy up there, and that goes back like that. There we go. Now we'll have some good success. All right, here we go. There we go. Perfect. Nice. And now that one's all done. Then we have to adjust it so that this guy doesn't rub. Ooh, man. Something fell out of there. So I'm pulling this back and I'm turning the wheel to kind of spread these out. I feel a little bit of drag. So now gonna just back this guy in that many turns. perfect. I like it right there. Maybe I'll give it one little extra. Okay. Good. And perfect. That's the way we'll leave it. Now we'll just go over and do the other side, the same thing. And we'll have this baby pretty darn near done. When you learn how to use your tools properly, that's how the disassembly should go. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. That's crazy. Right. Let's go, you sucker. You're going in there. You're gonna get in there. Don't trust me. You're going to get in there. I'm not gonna lose. Not this fight. Yeah, I did it with this little hook guy. Then I can push this here. Okay. And this thing goes under here. Okay. He's all good. Okay, let's give him a little bit.
Solid looking frame.
Yeah, there we go. All right, that's the rear brakes. Now we'll do the fronts. I'm not changing the front brakes. They're perfect. They're brand new. There's no reason to change them. So look at the amount of brake pad that's on there. That's fine. We are not doing, ouch. See how much front brake there's on there? We'll check the other side, and if the other side looks just as good, we're not gonna change them. And the front brakes have just as much pad on them. You can see they're brand new. Those are perfect. We're not changing the brakes.